Hello dear traders, welcome back to ИнстаФорекс TV channel. You are watching economic news with me, Tahmina Salomova. Data from the US Department of Energy failed to trigger oil rally as investors remain concerned to have a crude supply glut in the market. Despite a drawdown on 6,871,000 barrels in the US oil stockpiles in a week, crude production in the country continues to expand, showing an increase to 9,750,000 barrels a day. This data pushed the price of light with crude oil below $63 a barrel. However, later the price started to correct ahead of the publication of the Baker Hughes report on change in the number of active operating oil and gas rigs. Brent crude oil is also trading under pressure, reaching a low of $68.40 a barrel. The OPEC deal is paying off. However, according to the market laws, such optimism should be supported by upbeat statistics. Traders were discouraged by the news that this year non-OPEC countries plan to increase the volume of oil production amid skyrocketing oil prices. Now Brent is trading around $68.70. The Russian currency also fails to grow despite the weak US dollar. The US dollar ruble pair is trading at 56.60. Interestingly, neither the taxpayer nor the investors' appetite for Russian assets affect the Russian ruble. Yesterday, the Central Bank of Russia published statistics showing that investments of non-residents decreased by 1 billion rubles in a month. Meanwhile, the Russian Ministry of Finance continues currency intervention, which prevents the ruble from growing. Now it is time to pay attention to the greenback loonie pair, which also doesn't show any sharp movements. The pair is trading around 1.2410. The weak US dollar cannot trigger growth of the Canadian currency amid falling oil prices and the accompanying statement of the BOC on the key interest rate and its further monetary policy. Since traders are confused by the dovish sentiment of the Bank of Canada officials that do not plan further tightening of the monetary policy, the Canadian currency is unlikely to show a sharp rise against the US dollar in the near future. You have watched financial news on InstаForекс TV channel. See you later.